Dear students, in previous class we started logic gates. In that, already discussed about two gates. One first is a NOT gate. First basic gate is a NOT gate, and second is a OR gate. Already we have discussed. So NOT gate, it is also called as the inverter gate. NOT gate is also called as a inverter gate. So NOT gate's output will be the reverse state of its input. Already discussed. You know that one. NOT gate's output is the reverse of its input, and NOT gate is having only one input signal and only one output signal. So if its input is 0, output becomes a 1. Okay, that is our NOT gate. Second one, OR gate. This OR gate is called as a logical OR operation. Logical OR operation or logical addition. You can call it logical addition. OR gate is a logical addition. In this, we can make the addition of two numbers. In this OR gate, we can make the addition of two numbers. Okay, so in OR gate, we are having two input signals and only one output signal. So its output will be depends on its possible inputs. If you are giving its input as a 0, 1, output becomes a 1 because 0 plus 1 is a 1. Name implies 0, logical addition. It's the OR gate. Okay. Also, we have discussed about two inputs OR gate and three inputs OR gate. So logic OR gate is having minimum 2 or more input signals and always produce only one output signal. In OR gate, minimum inputs are 2, output is 1, and maximum inputs are n number of output inputs you can take it. But in NOT gate, it is only one input and only one output. So OR gate, 2 or more input signals and only one output signal. It is also called as a logical addition, addition of two numbers. So now, third basic gate, that is a AND gate. Third basic gate is a AND gate. So this AND gate is also known as a logical multiplication. Logical multiplication. AND gate, it is also electronic circuit. It has 2 or more input signals and always produce only one output signal. It is also called as a logical multiplication. When all the inputs are high, then only output is high. When all the inputs are high, then its output is high. Otherwise, its output will be low. Okay. When all the inputs are 1, then only its output is 1. Otherwise, the AND gate output will be 0. How? I will tell you in truth table. Now see first symbol for two inputs AND gate. Symbol of two inputs AND gate. So I will take here as one as a A. A is the first input, B is a second input. Because AND gate is having minimum 2 inputs and it is having minimum 2 inputs. So here this is symbol like this and only one output signal. This is straight line, then make it a curve. This is Y is equal to A into B. Y is equal to A into Y is the output. A into B means nothing but a multiplication of two inputs. AND gate output will be multiplication of its input. Okay. Then see, it's a truth table. Two inputs, truth table for, I will write in short TT, truth table for two inputs. Inputs are A and B. Inputs are A and B. These are two inputs. And output Y is equal to A into B. Output is A is equal to Y is equal to A into B. Then see here, already I told you, two inputs are there. Then 2 raised to 2. This 2 means 0 and 1. This 2 means two inputs A and B. Okay, raised to 2, it becomes 4. means we can have 4 possible input values. So first of all, I will write here 0, 0. I will take both the values as 0, 0. If I will take both the inputs as 0, 0, then what is its output? It's a 0 only. Its output is also 0 only. A into B. A is also 0, B is also 0, 0 into 0, 0. So next possible inputs. This is the first one. Next possible inputs, I will take here a 0 and 1. I will take here a 0 and 1. So in this case, 0 into 1, it becomes 0. It becomes again 0. 0 into 1 is 0 only. So next, again 1 into 0. 1 into 0. A is a 1, B is 0. Again 1 into 0 is 0. Then after that, I will take last possible 1, 1. And I will write here 1, 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So see, and all the inputs are 1, then only output is 1, otherwise it is a 0. If any one of the input is 0, then the output is 0. Any one of the input is 0, then the output is 0. When all the inputs are high, then only output is high. High means 1. If all the inputs are 1, then only output is 1. If any one of the input is 0, output will be 0. So this is what two inputs or AND gate truth table. Now see 3 inputs symbol, how it will be. So again you have to take here 3 inputs. I will take it as A, it is B, this is C. A, B, C. Now these 3 are the inputs. One is A, another is B, next is C. So I can draw the table like this and drag it. Now here Y is equal to A into B into C. Y is equal to B into C. Okay, these 3 are the inputs, A, B, C. Y is the output. Okay, so see definition again, once again I will repeat. AND gate is an electronic circuit. It has 2 or more input signals and always produce only one output signal. Okay, then also the definition related to your truth table. The AND gate output is high when all the inputs are high, otherwise output is low. Okay, now see 3 inputs truth table. I'll write here truth table for 3 inputs. Truth table for 3 inputs. So we have to take here 3 inputs. I will take here A, B, C. These are the 3 inputs. And then here Y is equal to A into B into C. Y is equal to A into B into C. So now see how to write the inputs here. In first part, in OR gate, we have taken 3 inputs OR gate truth table. In that time, you know that you have to write like this 2 raised to 3. This 2 means 0 and 1. Raised to 3 means 3 inputs A, B, C. It becomes 8 different inputs. 8 different possible inputs you can take. In this, you learn that you can input 8 different possible inputs. Okay, then I will write here row numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or we are going to take 8 different inputs. So I'll give you how to take the inputs, because sometimes you get confusion how to get the inputs. First I will take the A inputs. After that I will write the B inputs, and then I will write the C inputs. So first I will take the A inputs. While inputting A inputs, first element inputs, that we can put as a 4 zeros. Directly input for 4 rows 0 0 0 only. Then next 4 rows 1 1 1 1. Next 4 rows 1 1 1 1. This is for A, means first input. For second input, that is the B. Here you have to take 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 0, 2 ones. 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones, like that. Then when you go for a C, third input, here you have to take 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. This is one technique for inputting the values. See, in third possible input, see 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. In first part also you have taken the OR gate. That OR gate inputs and this AND gate inputs both are same. Both are same. But this is what writing the techniques. First you have to input the A inputs, 4 zeros, 4 ones, then 2 zeros, 2 ones, 0 1 0 1 0 1 1, like that. Okay. Here you have to first take all the 4 inputs as 0, then 4 ones, all the inputs in B, 2 zeros, 2 ones, and C 0 1 0 1, like that. Okay, so this is what one technique for taking the inputs, because there is no confusion in this. Easily you can write it, and you can easily do the take in your mind only. Then see here outputs. 0 into 0 into 0, it is a 0. 0 into 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0 into 1, 0 only. Then 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 0, 0. Or the next 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into 1, 0. Next 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0, 0. Next 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0. Next 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is again 0. And last 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. See, when all the inputs are 1, then the output is 1. Any one of the input is 0. Any one of the input is 0. In that row, the output becomes 0 only. See, in all the 7 rows, minimum it is 1 is having the 0. 1 is having the 0. Then the output becomes a 0 only. And all the inputs are the 1, then its output is a 1. So simply I will tell you that it is an addition. So it is multiplication. When all the inputs are high, then only high. See, I will tell you. Yesterday only you get the result. You see first results. If you are pass in all the 6 subjects, then your result is pass. If you are fail in any one of the subject, that means your result is fail. See, in this I will tell you, you are passed in 2 subjects, but fail in 1 subject, your result is a fail. When you will pass in all the subjects, then your result will be pass. If you fail in any one of the subject, your result will be fail. So this is what AND gate. This is what AND gate. So these are the 3 basic gates, AND or NOT. These are the 3 basic gates we are using to develop the digital circuits, AND or NOT. Once again I will repeat. NOT gate is called as an inverter gate. It is also electronic circuit gate. It is having only one input signal and only one output signal. Its output is always reverse of its input. That is NOT gate. This is OR. Second is the OR gate. OR gate, it is also called as logical addition. It is an electronic circuit it has minimum 2 or more input signals and always produce only one output signal. When all the inputs are low, then its output is low, otherwise its output is high for OR gate. Then AND gate. AND gate is also called as logical multiplication. It is also having minimum 2 or more input signals and always produce only one output signal. When all the inputs are high, then the output is high. When all the inputs are high, then the output is high. Otherwise, output will be 0. Otherwise, output will be 0. Alright. So these are the 3 basic gates. In annual examination, from this chapter, they will ask 2 questions. One is for 1 mark and this is for 3 marks. So 1 mark question they may be asked like that: definition of the gates or symbol of the gates or truth table of the gates. They may be asked on NOT gate, OR gate or AND gate, like that. Write the symbol for 2 inputs OR gate. Write the symbol for 2 inputs AND gate. Write the symbol for NOT gate. Or they may be asked like that: what is inverter gate? Okay, so which is logical addition, which is logical multiplication? Or draw the 2 inputs truth table for OR gates. Draw the 3 inputs truth table for AND gate, like that. The questions may be asked for you 1 mark. And for 3 marks, they will ask like that: explain the basic gates with truth table and symbol. Or they may be asked like that: explain the AND gate with symbol and it's a truth table. So in that case, you have to write the definition of the gates, it's the symbols and it's a truth table. So this is about what 3 basic gates. So in this we will learn about these 3 basic gates. So in next class I will start derived gates. Okay, thank you.